We learn a lot of skills. It's a 3-year pathway. So we start with foundational skills, just learning about tools and safety, how engines work.
Well, the basic skills that you learn in this class are the ways you could put together an engine, the correct ways to do it. Like, there's many specific things you have to do. Like, you have to tighten bolts certain ways. You have to do things with the timing when it comes to pistons. You have to align everything perfectly when it comes to camshaft and crankshaft.
And then we move up 2nd year, and then we start getting into power tools. So we use impact wrenches and all kinds of things like that. So we're actually working on live vehicles.
This class is way different than your typical class with a pencil and computer because it's all hands-on work. Like, there are very rarely any days where you're not doing something hands-on. Like, we're always doing something.
What I like about coming out of industry was there are some things that I needed for my technicians that they consistently didn't have. The ability to write technical reports, the ability to diagnose instead of just change parts, the ability to communicate and be organized. You know, that is a huge part of what a technician does. And so the earlier these kids can learn that, literally that puts dollars in their pocket, sets them above their peers. It puts, you know, when they can be clear and concise on their resume and show a portfolio of what they've done, that puts their resume right at the top of the pile.
Well, it can show you what you're interested in, see what careers interest you, what pathways you can go down. Like, I didn't know I was into engines until I started taking this class. And then I was like, hey, this is fun.
It gives me a great head start because, like, instead of having to wait until like college to actually work near engines and stuff, I get like a 4-year head start in advance to like learn the basics and then build off of that once I reach college.
So I think what the community can take away from this is that the kids are learning how to socialize, work together. They're learning how to focus, and you know, at a time where that's really difficult. And it gives them this really amazing sense of like completion and confidence.
Grades aren't determined by mistakes in this class because there's always a way to fix it. If you mess up on the engine, he'll show you how to do it right and you'll still get a good grade for it.
These skills can help me as a career or as a car owner because, like, auto repairs are expensive and it'd be really helpful if you know how to repair your own car, which I'm now learning how to do. And as a career, I want to work for the railroad, so it'd be really important if I knew how the engines on like your average diesel truck or car work. For those who are interested in taking the class, it's really fun. Like, it's a really great class, and honestly, I would do it again.